Yo, what's up, Pip and Dip family? AlliTrades here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how we caught 12% across 2 trades on live stream and just absolutely killed it to make ourselves some nice profits this week. And let's get right into this. The 2 pairs I was looking at were GA and GU. As you guys can see, these were the 2 trades we took. And now let's start to explain why. So GBP odd. When I hopped on the charts, markets were just about right here, and I was looking at the higher time frames trying to see what's going on, and I did see, hey, GBP AUD did look pretty bullish, but what I did like was on the minute 15, price over here sweeps all this liquidity. As you guys can see, we had liquidity resting just kind of right here, and this OB actually closes above all that and then gives us a nice break of structure towards the downside. So I really liked that. And then as you guys can see, very simple. You could have set limits on this order block right here, or if you guys just wait and wait, price eventually makes its way up and gives you some lower time frame confirmations if you guys wanted to wait for the break of the trend line. But to me, it was literally as simple as I liked this order block right here, and it was ready to go once we were in it. So you guys can see price eventually moves very quickly in our direction. And I actually went down. I wanted to close at this supply right here because I saw you had this and this one was touching in it. So to me, it was like, if this wick is touching in this wick and we had some stronger reactions to it, we have to be very careful with this area. And so the second we had like just kind of, this little bullish candle form right off that zone, I decided to close out for a nice little 1 to 2, risking 2%. And so that actually caught us 4% on that trade. And GU was a very similar setup. Very nice. I did use the confluence that I thought GA was selling, so like a bearish GBP, to help me take this trade. But as you guys can see, when we were looking at GU, we were priced in just about right here. And if I go to the minute 15 time frame, you guys can see, let me play this out just so you guys can see how that trade actually looks. But I was focused on this supply zone right here, which price actually does break above. But what I did like was we had this wedge pattern forming right here. You guys can see we have all this and we have all this liquidity ranging. So you guys can see London opens and price is just melting. It's melting and it starts to consolidate. So at this point we had a little bit of a range here, almost like an order block form, continued structure, and it's getting played off of. So once we saw, this type of thing here, I set my stops to break even because I didn't believe that we should be losing on this trade at all. And I had to make sure I was very smart with the way I was managing this trade because I wanted to make sure that we don't blow any profits and we secure our wins. So you guys can see we started ranging very heavily. And at this point, once we broke above this, I was already thinking, okay, I need to hop out this trade. I was either going to wait for price to break above this red line or for it to just give me like another really solid take profit. So once we continued structure right here, I personally decided to hop out. Now my full take profit was going to be all the way down here, as you guys can see, or it was actually going to be right about here. Yeah. And I didn't hold that far. I only caught myself a 1 to 4 on this one. I risked 2%, so I caught 8% on this. So 8% on this trade, 4% on the other one, which put me up 12% on the day. To me, it was just a very smart move to secure those profits early, because another time, maybe we try to be too greedy, maybe we try to hold and we don't follow our trading plan and we get stopped out because of that. So according to my trading plan, price started to consolidate a lot, and I already told myself either we break above that line or we create a new low, and I'm gonna hop out there, and I stuck to that to the T. I called this on live for free. If you guys want to check those out, I go live almost every single London session, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that little bell so you guys get notified every time I go live. Make sure you guys are in the free chat. The link is in the description, the free Telegram chat. We have the free Discord, and we have the free course for those who want to learn how to trade. I teach my exact strategy completely free. Also, we have the paid VIP signals, which I send out every single one of my trades to, which we've been absolutely killing it in. This week, we just smashed a 10% gain, and last week was a 33% gain, so 43% across the last 2 weeks. I hope to see you guys there, and I hope to see you guys in the future videos. Peace out.